Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go. This is a GCSE paper 3 from Edexcel Maths, of course, and it's June 2017. So, computer's been playing up today, so we're going to see how it's going to go. Right, so answer all the questions. Write down all the rivers in order. Let's have a look. So the shortest is the Don, then the Mersey, Mersey with an E, then the next one is the Trent, then the Severn, no, not the Severn, is it? The Thames, and then the Severn. River Thames is more than 3 times as long as the River Don, so we're going to take the Don and multiply that by 3, which is 336, isn't it? 336. And is the Thames more than 336? Thames is, yes, she is correct. Now, let's go to the next one. Cups are sold in packs and boxes. 12 cups in a pack, 18 cups in a box. Buys P packs and B boxes. So you can have 12 times P plus 18 times B. Here are 4 digits. The smallest possible 2-digit number. Got to begin with 1 and end with a 5. Write down 3-digit number closest to 200. 196. 4/5 of a number is 32. So if we do it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4/5 is 32, so that's that one. So if we divide by 4, so 32 divided by 4 equals 8, and then multiply by 8 times 5, 40 is the complete number. A path is made of white tiles and grey tiles. A quarter of the tiles are white, so we've got white and grey, and a quarter, so there's 4 bits altogether. So we've got 1 bit is white and 3 bits are grey. 56 tiles in total, the number of grey. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. 56 divided by 4, which is 28, 14, I think. Let's have a look. 56 divided by 4, no, 56 divided by 4 is 14, so 14 grey. Where's it going? 14 grey. Right. List of numbers. To work out the median, you find the middle number. So the middle of these is 17. No. You've got to put them in ascending order first. Shall we work it out? I don't think we need to, but we're just in case. Yeah, so you had 12, 13, 14, 15, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, and 22. So the middle number is 15. The range, difference between the largest, which is 22, the smallest, which is 12, which equals 10. The mean, add them all up and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 7. Don't worry, calculator's coming to hand. So 12 plus 15 plus 14 plus 17 plus 22 plus 19 plus 13 equals 112. So write that down there, 112 divided by 7 is 16, equals 16. Pretty's going to have a meal. She can choose a starter and a main. All the possible combinations. So salad, pasta, salad, rice, salad, burger, fish, pasta, fish, rice, fish, burger, melon, pasta, melon, rice, melon, burger. Right, let's buy a dishwasher now. Dishwasher costs $372. So you can pay deposit and then 4 equal monthly payments. How much is each? So 372 minus 36, and that will work out how much we've got left. 372 minus 36 is 335. So divide that number by 4 and it will tell us how much the payments is. 83.75. 83.75 for question number 8. 372. Yeah, is that exactly right? 372 take away 36 equals divide by 4 equals, oh, it's 84. I don't know where I've got that from. Yeah, it's 84. I thought that like an odd penny there, right? So it's 84. So 372 take away 36 is 336. That's where I got that wrong. I must have written that down wrong. 336. Okay. So you see how easy it is to make mistakes. No matter how many times you've done these things before. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Make it grow. You're in at the beginning. Davos. What's Davos up to? Davos is he's a cleaner. He's going to clean all these rooms and he wants to do all 4 rooms in a day, and he can have a break, and he's going to start at 9. Well, when he finished cleaning. Right, so start at 9 plus 2 hours will make it 11 o'clock. And then the sitting room, so we've got 11 o'clock plus 1 hour 40, which will be 12:40. So 12:40, we should do the bedroom plus 1:30 is 13:40, 14:10, 14:10, and now he's going to 14:10. We do the bathroom plus 45 minutes, which is 14:55. And then don't forget the break, 14:55 plus, how long is he going to have a break? 75 minutes. So that's 1 hour and 15. so that's going to be 15:55, 16:10, 16:10. So he finishes. Will he finish cleaning by 4 o'clock? No, 10 minutes out. ABC is a straight line. The length AB is 5 times the length BC. So that's 5 and that's 1. Bit of a ratio thing going on. AC, the whole thing is 90. Work out the length of AB. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. 90 divided by 6 will tell us the length of BC. So 90 divided by 6 is 15. So 15 is for BC. We got to work out AB, so it's 15 times 5, which equals 75 centimeters for AB. Little bit of algebra coming up now. Work out the value of t when v is 2. So t equals 4 times 2 plus 3, which is 8 plus 3, which is 11. Make v the subject, so take away 3. So t minus 3 equals 4v. And then divide by 4. So t minus 3 divided by 4 equals v. And cuboid, cube, 2222. The volume of any solid made with 6 of these cubes is 48. So the cube is 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. And so 6 of those will equal 48. Yes, Vera is correct. Good old Vera. Draw a cuboid made with 6 of these cubes. Well, all I'm going to do now, all I'm going to do is just put them all in a row. How many is that? 5. I don't know what I really get marks for being brilliant at drawing, right? And write the dimensions. So that's 2. That's 2. Oh, go away. Go away. And this along here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, so that's 12. Work out the surface area. So the two ends, 2 by 2, and there's 2 of them, so that equals 8 centimeters squared. And the top, bottom, front and back is going to be 12 by 2, and there's 4 of them, which is 2 12s are 24, so 24 times 4 is 96. Add them together, it's 104 centimeters squared. Cube squared. Squared, its surface area. Size of the largest angle in a triangle is 4 times the size of the... Ooh. Yeah, let's just draw a triangle and see where we go. Doesn't have to be a right angle. The largest angle is 4 times, so we'll say that's the largest. That's the largest, isn't it? So that's going to be 4 times x. We call that x. And the other angle is 27, so this one here is 4x minus 27. Work out in degrees the size of each angle. So everything adds up to 180, so we've got 4x plus 4x plus minus 27 equals 180. So that is, add 27, so that's 207, and that's 6x. So x is 207 divided by 6. 207 divided by 6. Give me a proper number. 34.5. Oh, 34.5. I need a proper number. It's because I didn't add them up, did I? Didn't add them up properly, that's why. That's why. So that's 9x, isn't it? So it's that divided by 9. So 207 divided by 9 is 23. So that's 23. So the smallest angle is 23. The next angle there is 4 times 23, which is 92. And the next angle is the 92, take away the 27. 65. I don't know which order you've got to do them in. I don't think it really matters. Don't think it really matters. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Oh, we're going on holiday to Canada. This is in pounds. All this is in dollars. So what we're going to do, work out the total cost of the flights, the hotel. So let's do the dollars first. 14 times 196 and 12 times 5. So 14 times 196 is 2744. 2744 is a dear holiday, isn't it? 12, 5 12 is 60. So that together is 2804 in dollars. Right, now we've got to convert that to pounds. So we divide that number by 1.9. So 2804 divided by 1.9. 2804 divided by 1.9 tells us it's 1475.79. I've rounded that up a little bit, pounds. Now the total cost is 1475.79. I'm going to add the flight, and the total cost is 975,792. do they want that rounded up? Give your answer in pounds, rounded up? Don't think so. We go with the 79p. If there were fewer dollars to the pounds, what effect would this have on the total cost? More expensive. Apart from what? Apart from the flight, because that was priced in pounds. Oh, Venn diagram. What to do there? Alright, so we got everything is odd numbers, less than 30. And then we're going to fill all this stuff in, yeah? So let's do all the odd numbers less than 30, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Okay, so anything that isn't in there will go around the outside. So let's do that. So we've got 3, we've got a 9, we've got a 15, we've got 21 and 27. Remember the other one. 5, 15, oh, got that twice, and 25. So all these numbers remaining will go down the bottom, which is 1, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Right, now we're going to put these in here, but we did notice along the way that we've got one that appears in both sets, so that's going to go in the middle. So we call this A, we call this B. So in A we've got 3, 9, 21 and 27, and in B we've got 5 and 25. A number is chosen from random from the set. What's the probability the number is A and, that's and, B. So in A and B we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of altogether. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 out of 15. Solve the simultaneous equation. Minus signs to make it a bit tricky. So let's do 3x plus y equals minus 4. 3x minus 4y equals 6. I'm going to subtract them to get rid of the x's. So y minus minus 4 is 5y. Minus 4 minus 6 equals minus 10. So y equals minus 10 divided by 5, which equals minus 2. Substitute into the top one. 3x, it can be anyone, but it doesn't matter. 3x minus 2 equals minus 4. So 3x equals, add 2 to equals minus 2. So x equals minus 2 divided by 3. So y equals minus 2 and x equals minus 2 over 3. Table shows the information about the dress sizes. Find the median. Well, the median, n plus 1 over 2, we'll find the position. So we've got 11, 19, 25. So that'll be 26 over 2, which equals 13. So it's the 13th position. So we need to count up from the bottom 13 or count down from the top 13. And we'll find it's the median. So 6 and 8 is 14. So we've already gone too far. So the dress size median is 12. It's in there. Now, 3 of the 25 women have a shoe size of 7. And Zoe says if you choose at random one of the 25 women, the probability it has a shoe size of 7 or a dress size of is 9 over 25. Because we've got 7, we've got 3, oh yeah, 3 out of 25 is there, and 6 out of 25 is there. Now, no, she's not. The reason why is because she's treated the people who have shoe size 7 as different from the people who have dress size 14. They could be in the same thing, couldn't they? So then it would only be like 8 out of 25. Or, yeah, so it could be no, because shoe and dress could be in the same category. Now where are we going? Daniel's making cakes. He bakes vanilla, banana, lemon and chocolate. 2/7 of the cakes are vanilla, 35 are banana, ratio lemon cakes. So 420 times 2/7. So 420 times 2 divided by 7 equals 120 vanilla. Now 420 times 35% is 147. 147 banana. Now we've got lemon and chocolate, right? So let's find out how many lemon and chocolate there are. So 420, take away the vanilla, take away the thingy, banana. So 420, take away 120, take away 147 is 153. So we've got 153 lemon plus choc. Right. Now they're in the ratio of 4 to 5, which is good. Lemon and chocolate, 4 to 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. So 153 divided by 9. 153 divided by 9 is 17. And we've got 17 cakes per part of the ratio. We want to find lemon. So lemon is 4 times 17, which I think is 68, isn't it? 51, 68. Yeah. Oh, polygon P. And there's a 12-sided polygon. Show that polygon P is a hexagon. So we've got to work out the internal angle of polygon P. In order to do that, we know that's the right angle. If we want to work out that one, if we find that one, which is the internal angle of a 12-sided polygon. So the 12-sided external is 360 divided by 12, which equals 30. So the 12-sided internal is going to be 180 minus 30, which equals 150. So now angle X, so the internal of polygon P equals 360, take away the 90 and take away the 150. So 360, take away the 90, take away the 150 is 120. Now, so the sum of all the angles in a six-sided shape is going to be the number of sides minus 2 times 180. So the number of sides is 6 minus 2 times 180, which is 4 times 180, which equals 720. So in a six-sided shape, we've got 720. Now, if we divide 720 by the 120, that we worked out what the internal thingy is. If this comes out at 6, then we're on the money, and it does, yeah. The density of apple juice is that, so going by that, the density equals the grams divided by the centimeter cubed. The density of fruit, the density of water, apple juice and fruit syrup, carbonated water to make a drink of volume. So we've got to find out how many grams density, 23 centimeters, how many grams, so mix this round. So the density times the volume equals the grams. Right, so let's do apple. So the density 1.05 times the volume of apple here times 25. 1.05 times 25 is 26.25. 26.25 grams of apple. The fruit syrup, the density is 1.4. The number of grams is 15. So 1.4 times 15 is 21 grams of fruit syrup. And you've got the carbonated water. So the carbonated water, the density of that is 0.99 times 280. So 0.99 times 280 equals 277.2. 277.2 grams. So we found the weight of all the ingredients, which is apple, syrup and water. They're all mixed up to make a drink with a volume of. So let's just add all that stuff up first of all. Yeah. So 277.5 plus 21 plus 26.25, which is 324.45. So that's the total weight. We've got to find the density now. So the density is the total weight, which is 324.45, divided by the volume of the drink, which is 320, divided by 320, which is 1.01390625. Two decimal places, 1.01, and write two decimal places. 1.01 what? Now let's move that. Grams per centimeter cubed. Just in case. Right. Show that these two triangles are mathematically similar. Right, so they're going to have the ratio on all three sides must be the same. So let's do the one to the right hand side of this right angle, which is that one and that one. So 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5. Now let's do the hypotenuse, which is 12.5 divided by 5, and that again is 2.5. And the other one is 7.5 divided by 3, again 2.5. Yeah, so large triangle is 2.5 times small. So similar. Complete the values of this. Oh, this is not. Oh, yeah. Right, okay. Complete the values. So y equals 6 over x. So here's all the values of x's. So we just substitute into there and find out the y's. So let's do 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by a half is 12. And then I'm struggling then, so I use a calculator. 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. Should have known that. And 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. So now we've got all our. Can I fit all that in? Not quite. We're going to try and make it a little bit smaller. So now. No. Hang on. Not responding for a bit. Now's a good time to tell you about the channel. Let's hope this works. Just wait for it to come back. There it is. Yeah, this channel is going to go through every past paper of functional skills, GCSE, foundation and higher that I can find from every exam board, and then I'll start going through some lessons and stuff like this. So let's plot this. So x is 0.5 and y is 12, so there. X is 1 and y is 6. I wonder what sort of shape this is. X is 1.5 and y is 4. X is 2 and y is 3. Big curve, isn't it? X is 3 and y is 2. X is 4 and y is 1.5. Careful of the scales because they're different on both sides, aren't they? They always do that. X is 5 and y is 1.2, so we've got it down there somewhere. 6 and 1. There you go. So now do this with a pencil until you get it right. Don't go beyond, otherwise you'll be penalised. Yeah, try and draw these up. Something like that, yeah. Right. Harley's house. What about Harley's house? Oh, where's Harley's house gone? Hang on, come back, Harley. There you are. That's a value of £160,000, corrected to significant figures. What's the least possible value of the house? So you'd think that would be, what was the smallest number? So we'd have to have 5. 5, 5, 0, 0, 0. That looks about right. Let's have a look, see what they got. I think that's right. 15500. What's the greatest possible? So it's going to be 1, 6, 4, 9, 9, 9. Right, so the value of Rita's house has increased by 5%. Her house then had a value of, what's the value of Rita's house before? So this is £210,000, represents 105%, the original plus the 5. So if we do £210,000, divide that by 105 and then multiply that by 100, we should get the original house. So 210, £1,000 divided by 105 and then multiply that by 100 and we get 200,000 pounds. Alright, that's the end of that paper. So let's go. Wait for that to draw. It's going to be in there somewhere, isn't it? And I'll go back. It's not very well today. It's a hot day, so things. I'll go back to where I am. It will come back anyway. So whilst we're waiting for this blank screen to do something, all I can say to you is thank you for watching. Yeah. And if you like this sort of thing, you can subscribe to the channel. It'd be really nice to have you along. Make a comment if I've made a mistake or is there something you want me to do in particular. Put your thumbs up just to show you've watched it, and down below there will be links to other videos that you can watch. So I'll see you in the next one.